Hey everyone, Jesse here with Absolutely Clean, coming to you here with a soft wash roof cleaning job today. As you can see, this roof is very discolored with algae or glioxapsomagma. We're going to be restoring this roof to the original color that the shingles were when they were new. As you can see underneath the skylight and those pipes over there, that's about the color that the roof is supposed to be. The roof over the garage, you can see how dark that is, and the roof obviously on the house there is dark too. The castle feature over there on the left is about the color that the shingles are supposed to be. We're going to be restoring this roof back to the original color. Please stay tuned. This is the before video. We're also going to do an after video. We've got some before and after pictures that will be in the end of this video as well. So please stay tuned for the entire video, and thank you so much. All right everyone, so here's the after video, soft wash roof cleaning. As you can see, all the algae has been removed. The roof is restored back to its original beautiful color. If you have a property anywhere in Minnesota or Wisconsin that you'd like soft wash roof cleaning done on, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. 612-919-4185. This roof is still wet, and as it dries it will brighten up even more. But as you can see, this roof looks beautiful again. And this home is probably 50% roof and 50% siding as far as the view from the road goes. So we've completely done a facelift on this home. If you have a property anywhere in Minnesota or Wisconsin that you'd like roof cleaning done on, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. 612-919-4185, and please enjoy the before and after pictures at the end of this video. Thank you so much.